It's a pleasure to be here tonight to join you all in celebrating the 60th anniversary of LICI's operations in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, those of us who are outside LICI and are as aged as myself and Mr. Whiteside, we would note the corporate social responsibility of LICI over the years since its establishment in Fiji. It's quite notable. I know when I was at USP and FNU, I recall those days when we used to approach LICI for support, and it always used to come forward and assist us in different capacities. Also, as Minister of Education, Heritage and Arts, I also want to note the contribution of LICI during the recent devastation, following the devastation by Cyclone Winston, when your institution contributed $10,000 to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund, as well as adopted the Fulton Primary School and contributed $40,000 towards its rehabilitation. Ladies and gentlemen, as you would note, the financial sector plays a very important role in the overall growth and development of any country. Financial sector assists in pooling of resources from different people, different institutions, and provides that particular resources for those who would want to invest, who want to grow their own small institutions. And insurance companies like LICI plays a very important role in that particular objective of the financial sector to promote or support growth and development. LICI is part of the non-banking sector of the financial segment of Fiji, and it has a different approach towards growth and development. Its entry as the other insurance companies allows us to broaden the financial base of the Fiji's financial sector, and thus it is a critical institution amongst the others in the financial sector. Being an insurance company which operates in 13 other countries, it adds to the dimension of pooling of resources. The global pooling of financial resources has a number of advantages. Unlike you put money in bank, where you're given a defined interest rate, with the global pooling of resources, insurance companies like LICI allow us, with that larger base, to provide a better return. So that's a very important dimension of insurance company such as LICI, which has operations outside Fiji as well. It also based on the premise that not everyone would claim at a particular point in time. As alluded to by the General Manager, it is a very important instrument for individuals or households to hedge against any personal or household risk. And generally people see insurance policies to do so as a means to hedge against risk. But I see insurance policies more as a savings tool, particularly in countries where savings culture is quite poor. And if you look at the stats of LICI Insurance Corporation, you will note that only 12% payment is on death payment. The other 78% is on maturity. So effectively, it's a form of savings. Now, it's a different form of saving. If you save in bank, you can break it. If you have a time deposit, you can break it. But once you take an insurance policy, it is a bit difficult to break because you've started the process. To recall my case, having an LICI policy, I had to after 3 years of contributing, I had to take leave and go and for studies for 4 years. I came back and started the policy again. And it matured yesterday. So I was discussing this with some friends, and I said that it's a bit different. Now, the other aspect of insurance policy is its intergenerational dimension. It goes beyond one generation, which is a very important aspect of insurance policy. So, all in all, the insurance policy, insurance market has expanded over time, also due to our financial literacy policy, which has been spearheaded by the Reserve Bank of Fiji, and which we are very tightly running in our schools, because we strongly believe that for a sustainable growth of an economy, people should have good knowledge about finance, not only about savings, but ability, have a culture to invest. Now, having said this, what is it that makes an insurance company survive and robust and to pay a reasonably good rate of return? For LICI, they have been paying a return of around 4 to 5%, which is reasonably good, noting the fact that they also provide the risk, cover for risk. It is the robustness of its investment portfolio. So, while from the consumer's perspective, we always look at the returns and the payouts, but the ability of the insurance company to survive and make those payouts, those attractive payouts, the bonuses, depends on the ability to manage the investment portfolio. Unless and until the investment side of the insurance company is strong, smart investments are made, it will be very difficult to make reasonably good payouts when the policy matures. So I want to thank the insurance company, LICI, for making this move some 60 years ago to come and invest in a small country like Fiji. Often, whenever an investor would want to make a move to invest offshore, the first thing they would want to look at is what is the normal domestic population base. And at that point in time, for LICI to decide on to come and invest in Fiji, which had a very small population base, it was a very bold move and recognition of some kind of responsibility for a small country like Fiji. So I want to thank on behalf of the government of Fiji for making a decision at that point in time, with such a small population base that you thought at that particular point in time, with not too much differentiation of your product, still you thought that you would want to come and test out the market. You've survived, and you, in terms of the life insurance policy, I think you're a dominant in the small market that we have. So I want to thank the government of India for making this decision to allow LICI to come and invest. It has Governor Whiteside would vouch for it, that it has added to robustness, creating robustness in our financial sector. We would always appreciate the contribution that your company has made in terms of employment, whatever small way, as well as the social, corporate social responsibility that you have played in Fiji. Thank you, and on behalf of the government, I want to wish very successful years ahead in Fiji. Thank you.